What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new MJ technology company to the channel, and that company is called Digipath. Now, Digipath is a really interesting company, and we're going to be going over their technology in this video and introducing them to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Last but not least, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you Digipath. Of course, don't forget to leave a like if you do support the channel and all the videos that I put out, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. Also, drop us some comments down below. Let us know your thoughts on the company and on the sector. So let's get into it. So Digipath is the main company. Then we've got Digipath Labs. First, we're going to talk about Digipath. So Digipath is a publicly traded independent laboratory testing and media firm for the MJ industry. The company utilizes its expertise and experience to provide reliable MJ safety and potency testing, MJ news coverage, and comprehensive MJ education. Then we got Digipath Labs. So Digipath Labs is setting the industry standard for testing all forms of MJ-based products using FDA-compliant laboratory equipment and proprietary processes to report product safety and efficacy. In May 2015, the company opened its first testing lab in Las Vegas, Nevada, and has plans to open labs in other legal states. So on their website, first we're going to take a look at the Who We Are tab, because it's a good idea to get a better understanding of, the company. So Digipath's mission. Digipath is an MJ data company, an independent MJ testing firm that supports the MJ industry's best practices for reliable testing, data acquisition, and analytics. MJ Testing Labs. Digipath Labs is working to set the industry standard for testing all forms of MJ-based products using FDA-compliant laboratory equipment and proprietary SOPs to ensure product safety and efficacy. MJ data is derived from these analytical tests. Today's data is key to tomorrow's knowledge. So you can see what they do here. So our portfolio of MJ testing services: foreign matter inspection, moisture content analysis, solvent residue analysis, microbial screening, heavy metal screening, pesticide residue analysis, mycotoxin screening, potency analysis, and final checks. So let's zoom in a little bit on Todd, who is the founder. So Denkin's career has been defined by foresight, the ability to spot and take advantage of emerging market trends and navigate new companies into lucrative markets. In 2009, Todd first got involved in the MJ industry by identifying a trend in grow your own hydroponic systems, and co-founded the self-contained hydroponic leader, Phototron Holdings, helping take the company public and serving as its president. At the time, it was one of the very first publicly traded MJ companies. Since joining Digipath in 2014, Todd Denkin has transformed the company from a pure digital pathology solution provider into a leader in the medical and recreational MJ and hemp testing market. Todd has served as the company's president, COO, CEO, chairman, and founder, doing dozens of audio and video interviews, speaking at national MJ events. Todd also co-founded the National MJ News, an online source for news, interviews, and education, where he continues to serve as its president and on-air host. Todd has interviewed over 100 luminaries in the MJ space, from patients to politicians. His radio show and podcast has had hundreds of thousands of listeners and viewers. Todd has been featured in TV news stories, newspapers, and magazines. Also co-authored the book Money Matters. So what is their mission? So their mission is, when it comes to Digipath Labs, is to provide pharmaceutical grade analysis and testing to the MJ industry to ensure consumers and patients know exactly what is in the MJ they ingest, to help maximize the quality of the client's products through research, development, and standardization. Then we've got compliance. So as we know, compliance is very important in this industry. So laboratory testing is one of the vital platform technologies in the MJ marketplace and must become standardized, consistent, and robust in order to maintain the long-term health of the MJ industry. From its inception, Digilab's mission has been to facilitate an industry-wide mandate that medical MJ adhere to the same standards as other food and drug markets. A diverse array of assays and state-of-the-art FDA-compliant lab equipment enables the company to accurately test MJ in accordance with good lab practices. Over 60,000 samples tested, so Digipath Labs began earning substantive revenue in October 2015 and has been growing quarter after quarter ever since. As of July 2018, the company has tested more than 60,000 MJ product samples from many of the 115 growers and 81 producers licensed in the state of Nevada. So it's a big state for the MJ industry, as we know. Now that's very interesting. Digipath Labs screens medical MJ for its quality, potency, as well as potentially harmful contaminants, which include many different things listed here on the list. We've got pesticides, mold and yeast, gram-negative bacteria, just to name a couple. Digipath Labs also has an interesting certification. So the company offers comprehensive medical MJ safety screening as an independent certification system, including Digipath Labs certification seal. And then finally, if you want to check out the Digipath Labs blog, you can check it out right there. Finally, we've got an investor materials tab. So take a look at some of the content that they do have there on the website. But that's the gist of it when it comes to this company, guys. They're an interesting company in the MJ sector, and this is a very important, necessary niche to focus on. It's essential for the growth of the industry, and by the looks of it, this is only going to expand as the industry grows. So at the current share price, might be a very interesting time to take a look at Digipath. Of course, once again, guys, these videos are not financial advice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the company. That's it, and we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.